So I was very, at one point of time, I was not in form. I was very much in pain, basically my lowest point of my life, and I thought people will show up and will help me to recover from this, to recover from all the situation I'm going through, and they will make me understand that life is more important than everything that happened. But they never did. It was little shock for me. I thought many people will show, but after that I understood. I realized that and I was not sad that they don't. I didn't expect anyone to show up because I needed. I just thought that it is the basis. I mean, they will do that. I just thought that it is natural for people to show up at that point of time, but they never did. Which further shows that how they don't. Then I realized that people really don't know how to do that thing. That was more disappointing for me. I mean, this is so. I get more sad by this, that people don't know how to empathize someone, how to give someone hope for life. I mean, how they will live their life if they don't know this basic thing. Then I realized that I'm stronger than them. Whenever someone came and said that, like, I realized that they call me for giving me hope, but after all, I mean, at the end of the conversation, it's me who is giving them hope about their current situation, which is which is very much fun thing. I realize. What a cringe. And I felt good that I am capable of giving something that someone really need in that particular situation, and that really encourages me to talk to more people. Even if they don't call me, I call them. I call them and say this, look, this is not your fault, and everything I understood from that situation, everything that I can perceive from that situation, what's happening and what's needed to be done or needed to be told to that person, or what he or she actually needs to hear, for which after which they can really bring out themselves to the work, and that is really very good. I felt very good when I feel someone's feeling, and because I was gone through some shit, I was able to understand what they feel or they need, and it really felt good when I helped someone. And people do need to work on themselves nowadays. It's totally so much needed. I mean, they work on their career 90% of their life, but they should first work on themselves so that they became a strong, nice, kind, and sensible human being. Like, isn't it the most important thing? Primarily, if you are not someone who's not working on yourself, you will not be satisfied with yourself. You will not be understand what is happening in your life, how to deal with it, if you don't take time from your life to understand yourself better. That's all. I just wanted to tell that spend some time with yourself. It's very much needed. It's very important for your mental health and for your whole life. It's the most primary thing which we should have learned at school. How to be a sensible human being and how to be someone who can empathize others who are in pain, who are in grief or sorrow or everything. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.